guys, happy National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. What a great day. Again, I don't know who comes up with these days, but you know what? This is one day that I can get behind. And today I just made some peanut butter in my deluxe cooking blender. And do you know what the ingredients are? Peanuts and a pinch of salt. So I just dumped a jar of peanuts in and a couple grinds of salt and set it to the grind setting, and it was under 2 minutes. You do have to make sure that you tamp down because the ground peanuts will kind of rise up on the side. So you need to tamp it down and make sure it stays on the blades. And then you can make it as creamy or as chunky as you like. Look at how good that looks. And there's no added sugar, no preservatives, nothing funny. You can use unsalted peanuts if you want to be able to control the level of salt. You can also add in extras. You could add in honey for kind of a honey roasted peanut butter. You could add in some chocolate for a chocolate peanut butter. My favorite is adding a little bit of cinnamon. I didn't do that because this is probably going to have to be shared with the rest of the family, and I'm not sure how much they would appreciate that. But you can add in all sorts of flavors. If you want to do in some chocolate and hazelnut, you can kind of make a Nutella peanut butter. Yum. And then I have been wanting to try this for a long time. It is homemade chia seed jam. So I just took some frozen fruit. I wanted to use raspberries, but every time I buy the frozen raspberries, they disappear before I get a chance to make jam. So this is blueberry and strawberry and a little bit of mixed berries, what we had left. And you put it over the stove on a low heat until the berries start to break down. Then I mashed it with the mix and chop. And then you add a tablespoon of maple syrup. Again, let it process for about 10 more minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and let it heat for another 5 minutes, just on real low simmer. And then a half a teaspoon of vanilla and let it completely cool. And look at how thick that is. That's not going anywhere. And there's no pectin, there's no added sugar, there's a little bit of the maple syrup, but totally clean. And so I put together my favorite little snack, peanut butter and jelly on a cracker. So I'm gonna probably make a few dozen more to snack on. You can use obviously gluten-free crackers. You can use Ritz crackers, are always the go-to. They're always the favorite. Used to send that in my kids' lunch once upon a time. But anyways, if you love peanut butter and jelly, make sure to raise your hand and shout out what your favorite jelly is. I'm a strawberry, pretty firm purist, but I will go with another berry, blueberry, peach. The best jam I ever had was from Alaska. It was the salmon berry jam. Oh my gosh, it was so good. So if you grow salmon berries, or if you are in Alaska and you make some salmon berry, I'll send you my address and you can ship me some because that was heaven on earth. Anyways, happy peanut butter and jelly day. And please tell me your favorite jelly flavor or jam flavor. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.